Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am so excited for this video because today we are going to be doing a brown smoky eye that is perfect for fall. So I hate summer. There, I said it. I hate it. The only thing that I like about summer is like all the fun, bright makeup that comes out and the trends that come out. But it's just too freaking hot to wear makeup. It's just, I hate it so much and I just can't deal with the heat. It's just not my thing. And even though, yeah, I live in Florida, it gets hot here all year round basically, but it does cool down a little tiny bit during the fall that we have. So it makes it a little bit more tolerable to go outside and to enjoy a pumpkin spice latte that's not iced. You know, things like that. Super excited because this is my first fall makeup video. And I'm super excited for this look because I feel like it's a super easy look that anybody can really rock and wear. And it's a great way to kind of intro to fall. Like a lot of other people out there, I love fall also for the makeup trends. I love that warm, the berry smoky eyes, the cranberries, the plums, the burgundies, the brick colors. And my absolute favorite thing about fall is the fall lip colors. Those are probably the colors that I buy the most, even when it's not fall. Like this type of color here, totally my cup of tea. Anything that is like a burnt terracotta type brownish color, that's probably the color that I absolutely love. And the vampy lips, I'm here for it. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited for fall. I know that obviously you can wear this makeup look any time of the year that you want to, but some people like to get in the spirit of the whole season change by changing up their makeup. So yeah, I'm still gonna be rocking my colorful makeup looks here and there whenever I feel a little inspired to do a colorful look, but at the same time, I'm going to be rocking the crap out of these fall lip colors. I'm just so excited for it. Like, I'm just here for it. So this look is super easy. It's a brown smoky eye. I've done a black smoky eye before where the whole lid is like black and then it blends out into nothingness, but I've always wanted to do a brown smoky eye, but every single time that I think about doing it, I always change my mind or end up doing something else. So today I'm actually pulling through and doing a brown smoky eye, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 24G palette, which this palette I believe is limited edition. It came out during the holidays, but it looks like this, and don't mind how dirty and messy it is. A few of these shades, when I got it delivered, kind of broke on me, so I had to perform a little surgery on it. So that's why they look like that. But I feel like this palette is just so versatile. Like you can use it for fall, you can use it for summer, you can use it for spring, winter, whatever season you're in the mood for, this palette is going to deliver. So I like this palette also because it's a very wearable palette. I find it's not super intense. Like the darkest color is this dark brown here, and it's honestly not even that dark. That's the color that I have right there on my lid, and I don't find it to be too dark. And the size of these eyeshadows are ginormous. And just to show you guys the size of these eyeshadows, so this is a ColourPop single eyeshadow, which is about the same size as every single eyeshadow that's out there. And I'm going to just put it right here next to this brown. Oh, actually it's sticking to it, so you can see how much of a size difference it is. Like it's just, I think it says it's 3 times the size. So you can use these for more than just eyeshadows. You can use it for blush, you can use it for highlighter. That's pretty much it. So it did come with the little sheet that has a name on it. I hate that they do that, but whatever. I guess you can't always win. That's all there is to say. So if you guys want to learn how to recreate this super easy, very wearable, fall appropriate smoky eye, then just continue watching. So I already have my eyebrows filled in. They're a little bit intense like always, but we're just going to go with it. And we're going to use the Morphe 24G palette, which looks like this. I'm going to start off with the shade called Frenchie on a Morphe M504 brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that into the crease. Honestly, I don't know if that's the name of this brush, but we're going with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take these two shades here called Moho and Brassy, and I'm taking that on a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that in the crease as well, but just a little bit lower. And this is going to help to intensify that brown shade in the transition area. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Mooch, and I'm going to go ahead and take that on this pointed taper brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that once again in the crease, but a little bit lower. And I like this brush because since it has that point, it makes it a little bit more dense. And then I'm taking the shade here called Brassy, and I'm taking that on the Morphe M441 brush again, and I'm just going to blend that darker color out. Then I'm taking this Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, eye cream, I don't even know what it is. Honestly, I don't find it to be that pigment. I wanted like a brown base. So I was trying to make it work here, but it wasn't really working for me. I don't know if maybe it was the brush or what it was, but it's just such a light shade of brown. I didn't really care for it, but we just went with it anyways. And then I just went ahead and blended everything out. I just took a clean blending brush and just went ahead and blended those two together. Then I'm taking a flat shader brush in that shade Mooch again, and I'm going to go ahead and set that cream product, and this is going to intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade called Brew, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the same exact brush and put that a little bit lower, closer to my lash line, just to add a little bit more depth, and it creates more of that gradient effect. Taking that clean blending brush, once again, I do the step a few times to achieve a perfect smoky eye. I'm just blending out all of the edges, making sure everything blends in together very well. And then I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette called Brownie, that flat shader brush one more time, and I'm just putting that very, very close to the lower lash line. Try not to bring it too high, and I just kind of place it first, and then I pack it in like a circular type of motion just to blend everything together. Then I'm taking the shade called Creamer, and I'm using that as my brow bone shade, and this shade was so pigmented, guys. I didn't even know it was going to be this intense, but like I said, we're just going with the flow here. And then I'm blending everything together once again with a clean blending brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my face. And once we have our face done, this is what it looks like. You can see how blinding that glow is. I'm going to take some of this brown eyeliner from Jordana, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that into my waterline. And you could do a black liner if you want to, but I wanted to go with the whole brown theme here. And then I'm taking the shade called Moho again, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lower lash line just to blend everything out and kind of create that nice smoky eye. And then I'm taking the shade called Brew again. I'm taking that on a flat liner brush. I think this is a Morphe brush if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my lower lash line to intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm going to go into the shade called Crystal, and I'm going to go ahead and take that on a MAC 219 brush and put that in my inner corner as my highlight. I really like this because it's soft, but it still gives a nice little glow to the eyes. Using my Kiss number 11 lashes, and then I'm taking the Kylie Ginger liquid lipstick, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video.